So one of the things that we're in the process of on our end and trying to get things ready for the switch over to Gmail from Outlook is setting up user groups within the email system so that instead of having to send to a whole bunch of individual people, you can just send to a group. Those are for the most part already set up, at least the district-wide ones. In another video, I'll talk about how to set up your own personal groups. But to send a message to those groups is pretty easy. Just hit the compose button and then in the to. So the way it's set up right now, each building has 3 groups. There's a teaching staff group, there's a support staff group, and then there's a users group, which is actually both of those other 2 groups combined. So if I wanted to send a message to all of the staff in FA, I could send it to FA users, which I'll show you how to in just a second. But I could also send it to the teaching staff group and the support staff group, and it's going to hit the same people. In order to send those, all I need to do, for instance, if I wanted to send it to the teachers, if I start typing teaching, okay, if I type the word teaching in the to line, you'll see that it's suggesting here are 5 groups that have that. So I could just click on FA teaching and you'll see that it's sending to that. If I wanted to send to the support staff, just start typing the word support. And again, there are the 5 support staff groups. Just click on the one for the building that you're looking for. And as I said, if I wanted to hit all of the staff in that building in FA, I could send it to teaching staff and support staff, in which case I'd be getting everybody. Or the other thing I could do is just do FA underscore users. Okay, just like the old Outlook groups were FA underscore or MMS underscore, same thing. So if I click on that, that's going to hit everybody in the building. Okay. Now, even though this is a Gmail video, let me also show you that as an aside that those groups also work in document sharing. So if I start a new document here in Gmail and I wanted to, got to give it a name before I can share it. If I wanted to share this document with the teachers at FA, if I hit share and it says, who do you want to share this with? If I start typing teaching, there's FA teaching staff. Okay, so if I hit send now, it would share this document as can edit with all of the teaching staff at FA, anybody in that group. And again, support staff, FA users, I can do the same thing there. So that's an easy way to get a document out to a whole group of people at once. So that's how you use the distribution groups in Gmail.